3 of us on site are going to take these Firepods to different locations to test the wireless functionality. Watch and find out how they work. I've just pulled the fire alarm across from the Firepods warehouse over there, and I'm going into this other building here. We'll see if it sets off in this separate building across from the Firepods site.
So I've come to outside of a warehouse, just a bit down from the unit.
So I'm here, just about to test the alarm. It will set off the others. So, without further ado, 3, 2, 1.
And it's gone up. And hold for 3 seconds to deactivate.
And there we have it. That's just a really small example of the pod's capabilities.
Find out more information about our Firepods on our website or contact us direct to find out more.